Hi, I'm Phil from Festool. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. So I need to put this piece of timber in that position there. And for this, I can use the Domino DF500. But like any Festool machine, we need to look a little bit closer because I want to make sure my domino is in exactly the right position. If we look on the other side of the machine, there's a series of engraved marks here. These are all reference points either for these pins or for the center line of the cutter. And this is the one that I can use for this application. So I know exactly where the cutter is along here, but I also need to look at where the cutter line is across this position as well. When I push the cutter out, I can then use this mark here on top of the casting to line up exactly the position of the domino. So the distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. So now with my two lines on my piece of timber, I can turn the domino around, I can place it in this position. This engraved line can line up with there. And the next one, this line here, can line up with the top of that casting. So now when I turn the domino on and I plunge into the material, I can then position this piece of timber exactly in the right position.